We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you got to do. You thought we wasn't finna be back? So you thought it was over? What's wrong with you? So you thought we wasn't finna be back? We only pay the drivers $2. So what? And they better drop that order off and take a picture, or we might give them a violation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel. UberEats is trash. UberEats is straight up trash, y'all. We finna go over some of these screenshots that I've been getting, and I ain't did none of them, okay? Not even one. Absolutely zero of these orders have been done. So first order, we got $7.42 for 8.3 miles. 8.3 miles, really? Look at this. That's the offer. $7 for 8 miles. Look at that. Absolute trash. These are the kinds of orders I've been seeing on UberEats. Let's have a look at them, though. So we got first one, $7 upside down all the way around town. Next up, $9.01 shop and pay. 13.7 miles total distance on this order. Who is taking these? Who is taking these orders, guys? This is a 3-item shop and pay. You know, it's going 2 towns over. Exclusive offer. This is the world we live in. $3.65 for 2.8 miles. Now, this one ain't upside down. But how is the $3 order exclusive? Gas in my market is $3.89. Let me know what the price of gas is in your market and if you can make a profit on the $3 order. Because I cannot. Now, the lowest I take for offers, no matter which app it is, food delivery, $4.75 for less than a mile. I'm talking about like 0.8, 0.7. If it say 1.3 miles, it's no good. We is not in business. Straight up. $6.04. New China. Estimated time, 43 minutes. Why would you spend 43 minutes on the order to make $6? Why would you ever do that? I would much rather you go spend 43 minutes over at PetSmart. You know what I'm saying? You can go up in there, spend 43 minutes, make you about, you know, 15 bucks an hour. Or maybe you go over to Lowe's. Or maybe you go to one of these fast food spots. But look, why would you ever pick up an order? And that's being generous. Imagining that you just there chilling. Why would you ever pick up an order, drive it 18.9 miles away? That's almost a 40-mile round trip. Ain't no guarantee you're gonna get an order over there. Why would you waste an hour of your life to make $6? Answer is, you never should. You shouldn't. Next up, $13.11. That sounds like a good payout, don't it? But it ain't. We got 49-minute estimated time, 23.8 miles. This is a double order. You got to pick up for 2 customers, man. This is absolutely crazy. Look. These are the kinds of orders you're going to see if you're on UberEats. Let me know. I ain't been seeing nothing but this. I can't make no money like this. That's why I be doing Walmart, Spark, and Doordash now, because Uber is trash. Uber been trash, but you know, Uber has less restrictions on what they make you do as far as being able to get onto the platform. So there's that. You know, they make it a little bit easier than Doordash. You know, you ain't got to have a acceptance rate requirement, or you ain't got to, you know what I'm saying, have a zone restriction. So it's a little bit better, but it ain't too much better. Look at this. Next up. Customer verification. These package deliveries be even worse than the food delivery a lot of the time. Check this out. We got $5.02 for 9.6 miles at Snooks. Picking up some flowers. Picking up flowers. And you got to drive it 10 miles away. This is absolutely crazy, guys. This is why I don't do UberEats no more. Because every single time I turn it on, I get flooded with all these trash offers. I'm not making no money wasting a half an hour getting $5. That's $10 an hour. Then you got to subtract gas, wear and tear, you know, insanity costs. You got to subtract all of that out of your profit. So you're not making no profits on an order like this. I'm pretty much done with UberEats, guys. Unless, you know, I'm multi-apping and they send me a good offer, but you wasting battery. Look, $13.55, 27.2 miles one way. That's over 50 miles round trip. 54-minute estimated time. That means it's gonna take you a whole nother 54 minutes to get back to where you picked this order up from, guys. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Like, it's 90 to 100 degrees on average out here. They want you to deliver orders 10, 20, 30 miles away for pennies on the dollar. Or not pennies on the mile. For every mile that these apps want you to deliver these orders, they are literally offering you pennies when it comes to the food delivery. Uber Eats, look, you're going to have to whip out a new program, come out with a tier list or something. Because look, even the orders that's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, you still going to spend 25 minutes on it. Look, even the orders that's 1-to-1, we got $8.29 for 8.4 miles. That's probably the best offer I showed you out of all of these. And it still ain't even great. 25 minutes to make $8. Uber Eats, I need you to do better. I need you to do better because this ain't it. This ain't it. We got $8.59, 22.2 miles. Huh? What? Nobody is doing that. Who is taking these orders? Who? Where are you? And what are you driving? And what are you doing with your life? Who is out here taking these orders? Because it don't make sense. It just don't. You can't be making no money. Your bills cannot be paid on orders like this. $12.03. 20 fucking miles. Do y'all see that? Let me put this in the phone holder so I can make sure y'all seeing this. $12.03, guys. 20 miles. That's what you get. Look. $12.03 for 20 miles. That's exactly what you about to get. Look what's next. Look, $10.62, but look at the mileage though. Absolutely, and that's true. We don't gotta take it, but I need my drivers to understand. You don't take this offer thinking that it's gonna be something better on the other end of it. It ain't. It's all you getting is $10. Let's see what's next. $13.06 for 14.1 miles. This is insanity, guys. Absolute insanity is what I'm showing you right here. How you gonna make money driving all the way down the highway like that, hoping and praying you get another order? You shouldn't do it. Let's see. That's it. That's all we got for right now. Because after that, I turned it off. I said, I'm done. I'm not about to sit up here and play with this app, wasting my battery. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn on something else. We turned on Doordash, turned on Walmart Spark. Even Grubhub, with the few offers in between that they send, is better than this. It absolutely is. Because I can't invest into equipment and time and energy and warranty. I can't put no money into my car for Uber Eats when they sending me offers like this. Let me know what your experiences has been with the Uber Eats app. And if it's worth it for you, if it's profitable. Because don't get me wrong. There are times when I'm able to make good money on select dinner shifts. Make $100 in 4 hours. You know, maybe pull up and get a nice little Walmart curbside banger. But again, for the majority of the time when I turn on the Uber Eats app, this is what I see. And I'm tired of it. Straight up. So I will be uninstalling the Uber Eats app here pretty soon. And you know, I'm just going to give my time to another app somewhere that is more worth it for me. Somewhere where I'm not spending more time declining a whole bunch of offers and I'm actually spending more time facilitating the deliveries and making my money. Because at a certain point, when you just turning the app on just to decline 20, 30, 40 offers, and then the disrespect and the mileage shown on those offers get worse and worse, you got to make a change. And right now is the time of making a change. Uber Eats, you are done, and I'm done with you. And I appreciate you for all the opportunities that you gave me. But as of right now, it ain't looking too sweet, and it's a waste of time.